Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. A white kitchen may be the number one choice of families for their kitchen color. Why not? When white is altogether associated with cleanliness, who wouldn't want to make their kitchen look clean? Being the usual color of a kitchen, there are a lot of kitchen ideas out there, and we will be showing you some of the best designs in this video. Interior decor trends for home interior keep changing, be it related to wall paints, furniture, style, or cabinets. Designs, but the demand for ethereal beauty of ivory white has not diminished. The clean elegance of white cabinet, shiny marble floors, and counter is hard to resist, and sometimes it is combined with white kitchen appliances to retain the flow of color and make the area seem more spacious. Since maintaining an all-white kitchen is not an easy task for homeowners, it usually combines it with wood furniture or stone flooring while retaining white roof and walls along with white cabinet and counters. In this video, you will find some of the interesting fixes that can help you to satisfy your need for a white kitchen which is easy to maintain. A kitchen remodel is one of the most common renovation projects in home today, and also one that can have a significant effect on resale value. And since the average homeowners will spend tens of thousands of dollars when doing a major kitchen remodel, it's crucial to do it right. Today, homeowners are turned off by dated kitchens and are looking for modern additions like granite counters and updated appliances. Those things can both be done in white, and according to the National Kitchen and Bathroom Association, white and off-white are most popular color scheme for those spaces. Make your design decision easier by creating an all-white room that's fresh, bright, and aesthetically pleasing. In addition to the timeless look, white can make a small kitchen feel bigger and brighter, a room that lacks adequate natural light. And while you don't want to offend anyone's taste with your kitchen design, you also don't want a white kitchen to feel bland. Add depth by using accent color and insert personal style in changeable features like light fixtures, furniture, and cabinet pulls. From the appliances to the kitchen cabinets, you will find all the design elements in this video, so watch this video carefully. Wide open spaces in the middle, deep cupboards and cabinet area characteristic features of country kitchens that also have large windows which bring in fresh air and light. While hardwood floor in country kitchen remain spotless for decades if they have been maintained well, the cupboard, shelves, cabinet and electronic gadgets become worn out with frequent use. Renovating the kitchen by repainting all the furniture, walls and roof completely white would be a great way of fulfilling an old dream. If the counters are not white, then grey natural stone counter would also be good fit along with the stainless steel appliances to make a white kitchen. All white background of walls and roof maintain a cool symphony with white cabinets, chandelier and furniture. In a modern kitchen, this layout creates an enchanting atmosphere against the contrasting backdrop of black ceramic tile floor. The brightness of white kitchen can be enhanced by having large window in the region to bring in natural lights. If you are worried about the upkeep of an all-white kitchen but still would like to have some kitchen touches, then make a combination of blue and white color which complement each other. While the roof can be white along with the white laminated cabinets and shelf backsplash and floors can be mixture of blue and white tiles that keep the kitchen bright and cheerful. Light blue walls can provide the perfect backdrop and background for these semi-white kitchens. Marble is probably the most magical interior design material you will find for your kitchen. Having marble floor is one thing, but use them for structure in your white kitchen and you will want to spend most of your day there. What is better is all the space that is available too, allowing you to have a cooking night or experimental Sunday brunches sleek, safe and stunning. Friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern kitchen designs in white color, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family. On interior decor designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscriber to make them aware of interior decoration design ideas that is going on in this world. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior designs, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app to get the latest interior design ideas according to your choice. You will find all the link in the description box below, so do check them out. You can also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Telegram. The kitchen island often features a sizable slab of countertop, so this can be used strategically to brighten up the space or add detail that complement pure white feature elsewhere in the room. Add contrast by choosing a different material than you used for the countertops. It's pretty likely that the island will be where a lot of food preparation and entertaining takes place. So depending on how you plan to use the kitchen island itself, think about the material and how high maintenance it is. Kitchen cabinets are high impact design elements because they are outward facing, unlike flat countertop, and take up a lot of real estate in the room. According to the National Kitchen and Bath Association, cabinet make up 1/3 of the half of kitchen remodel budget. Friends, hope you like this video on modern white kitchen designs, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. For the latest and trending interior decoration designs, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, Pinterest from the links in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our Android app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this, we finish this video here. We'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.